So you're interested in learning full stack web development course, and I must say you've made a smart and a life-changing decision. This is one of the most globally in-demand tech skills, opening doors to high-paying jobs, freelancing opportunities, and even starting your own tech business. And the best part is, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Bizmarrow Technologies, the leading training institute in Nigeria, where we turn learners into professionals. So what exactly is full stack web development? This is the ability to build the front end and the back end of a website. Front-end developers focuses on the visual and interactive aspect of the website that users can see and interact with. They use tools like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The back-end web development deals with the server, database, and logic of a website using tools like Node.js, PHP, Python, MySQL, and MongoDB. With a full-stack web development training, you can build complete functional and dynamic website and web application from start to finish. Demand for full stack developers is booming in Nigeria and worldwide. Companies are looking for skilled professionals who can handle both front-end and back-end development efficiently. After this training, you'll be able to work as a full stack developer, web developer, front-end developer, back-end developer, software engineer, freelance web developer, e-commerce developer. With these skills, you can work for local and international companies, build websites for clients, or even start your own tech business. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we guide you on how to get jobs and land freelance gigs successfully. At Bizmarrow Technologies, our full stack web development training is structured to take you from beginner to professional. Here's what you learn: HTML and CSS, the foundation of web design, JavaScript and front-end frameworks, making websites interactive with tools like Vue.js or React. Back-end development, learning Node.js, Python or PHP for server-side coding. Databases, managing data using MySQL or MongoDB. API development and integration, managing the front end and the back end effectively. Version control using Git and GitHub, managing codes and collaborations. Deployment and hosting, taking your website live with cloud hosting platform. Reward project, you get to build a fully functional website before graduation. If you're just starting, don't worry, we'll take you from the fundamentals, teaching you from CSS, HTML and JavaScript, where you learn how to build visually appealing websites. Then we'll introduce the back-end, database management and APIs to help you build complete and professional websites. So why choose Bizmarrow Technologies? At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't just do theory. We do a practical hands-on training where you learn by building real-world projects. Dedicated trainer, here your trainer gives you the attention that you need to ensure you understand every concept. Job-ready training, we focus on skills that make you employable immediately. No overcrowded classroom, we keep our classes small for effective learning. Physical and online training, so you can learn from any part of the world that you are. Flexible payment plan, making quality tech education affordable for you. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't just teach, you graduate ready to build, develop and succeed. Now is the best time to start. Don't delay, because delay is dangerous. Every day, companies are looking for skilled full-stack web developers, and you could be one of them. Click the link to register and join Bizmarrow Technologies. Join Bizmarrow Technologies to become a professional full-stack web developer. See you in class.